Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make this flower bracelet. I have used here wax cords and embroidery cord. You can also use macrame cord. You will get bigger flowers. So this looks really pretty when you wear. We will quickly see what are the materials required. Middle portion we need 15-inch cord and other two cords are of 36 inch and a 4 mm bead. So in the middle you can either stick it with the tape, the embroidery cord which is or you can use any other cord of 15 inch and then make a knot with both the cords one after the other. So we are going to make a square knot for certain distance and before we start making the flower design. So once we have made around 1.5 inch of square knot, we will start making the flowers. Make sure that the pink wire is onto the outside. Make on both the sides. So I have made 4 times, repeating the pattern, and do the same with the other side as well. I'm going to make one more, so totally 5 times on both the sides. Now I have taken one bead in the middle cord. So once we have done the flower 4 times, we will do a square knot with the yellow cord and then again repeat the same. So friends, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more such videos, and please leave a comment in the comment section if you like the tutorial, and hit the like button if you like this video. So I have made total 5 flowers and then continued with the square knot. Make a knot and cut off the excess cord, both the pink one and the yellow one. So now I am making an adjustable cord. Follow the same procedure, square knot technique. So this is the final look. I have added few beads at the end and put a knot so that doesn't fall off. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please do try it out yourself, and thanks for watching.